We're going to a wedding in August and September, right? And I got the little outfit from Fabulous Finds Boutique for our little baby boy. And I'm super excited to see how adorable he's going to look. He's going to look like a real gentleman. And there's a pair of shoesies as well. Let's see. Oh, so it was sent by courier guy as well. Also quick, quite fast and efficient. Very happy with courier guy's delivery. Oh, okay. Look at how adorable he is. This is gonna look, okay? And there's the shoesies. Okay, let's open it and see. Oh my goodness. Here we go. This is a onesie. So like a baby grow with a hat, see? Like a little gentleman. And it's so adorable. He's going to look so adorable in it. And we got some black shoesies to match. Cute little black shoesies. It's going to look very cute. He's going to look so handsome. This is 6 to 12 months because at the time of the wedding he will be that age. Yeah, it seems to be pretty decent quality. I look very happy. I don't see any stray pieces of thread anyway. So, cool.